Hello guys, welcome to day 209 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. I was in a website, it's a very famous one. It's selling packages online, and I saw there is a comment section that people coming there and give their opinion about the products that they bought. So these comment section were very attractive for me because I saw many of people come to buy that digital product in when they see these comments, these reviews, which are most of them are positive, but I think it's some of them is fake. But I was wonder, how can I create a comment section when I wanted to create a website for myself, and if I wanted to sell a package online. So one of my interested area in web development is to create a shop, online shop in the web, like website for myself. And one of my hobbies is creating digital painting and animation. So maybe if I put my focus on this field, maybe later I can create for myself an online shop, so I can sell my products as well as at the same time I'm learning programming as well. So I never created a comment section. Of course, I don't remember if I created one in this area, in this period of time, but if I right now I want to create a very advanced one, so it have a reply button, it have a like and dislike button. So this is what I am going to do. I think it's need HTML knowledge, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start creating that. Of course, I don't have any idea how to start it, but we are going to figure that out. Let's go. I'm going to create a new project for a start. In the my web creating projects, let's call it, let's see my other projects. I created a video player, search bar, node.js practice, my CV website, Mr. Beast newsletter, sign up, mega menu, loading and grid exercise, FS module, entry page, Discord, button sound, audio player. So let's create a new one called comment section project. And now I am going to drag and drop it here, so it will become my root directory, closing the welcome page, creating three documents that I need: CSS, JavaScript and HTML. So the first one is HTML always for me. HTML, pressing Ctrl S for the start index, save it as index. Now let's create another one called select the language, CSS. Let's call it style, and let's open a new one called JavaScript. Let's call it functionality. Okay, so this is the easiest part. Let's create boilerplate. Now let's design a comment section for the first, so we can have a concept of what we want to create. Let me open Paint. We don't want to create a whole website, it's only a comment section. Okay, so this is a practice for comment section. The comment section should have a profile picture, like the person who trying to give a comment can upload a picture for itself, for himself, for herself. So this is called, so this is the profile picture, and it can have a like button here. Let me paint it. Or maybe just like button, royalty free. Let's find this later, but we can say like it will become a button here, okay? Like, dislike, reply, and here we can have the comment, right? What about if I bring this here? So this is the profile picture, and the comment section should be here, and it will be better if I put this here. Okay, and when the person replies to this comment, when there's some user trying to reply, there will become one more of this, but this time it will become, let me first bring this a little bit in the right corner. And now if someone replies, we also have this, but a little bit getting oriented in the left. So we understand it's a reply. We can also have some, I don't know, line that shows it is, no, we don't need line. Okay, that's enough. Let's design this, but before a person add this comment, there should be a kind of form that person gives, something like Instagram. So there should be a section that someone can type, like something like this. It should be input, enter your first comment here, enter your comment, send. So there should be a send button here. So we have two sections, right? Two sections. One of them, the user come and put its comment here and send it, and then it will add the comment here, up here. But one of the things is how the user can add her or him picture, his picture. Should be we giving a option here for uploading a picture. Or is it something like Instagram that a user can already upload his picture in a very different section? I'm trying to find a logic here, find a algorithm. Most of the time, I think the websites who trying to give a option for user to have an image is the way they do this is first the user log into their page, complete a form, and in that form they can give a profile picture. But if we want to create only a comment section, I think it is not very necessary to give an option here to upload an image. Of course we can do that, but right now I'm thinking about if I can use anchor tag here to give a option for the user to upload their picture, and then the website refers a link here. But this is too complete, and this is not a standard way, I think, to do that. So let's give this a default image for now until we what is the word for this? Until we get to a position that my website have a login page, and that login page can complete and the user can go there and upload his or her image. So let's create the comment section for now, and with the default image. So this is going to be my design. Let's bring this design into a folder called assets. Let's get back here. Where to start? Should I first going to create this part? So logically I have to create this part for first, because if this part is not exist, of course the comments are not exist as well. So we have to create this part, and then we're going to add some comments. But I was thinking about it would be better to bring this up of the page, and or I can only put it down here, and it should have a very fixed position. I think it's a good practice as well, because I never created a section which is have a fixed position, so it is good at practice. I'm thinking if it was better to bring this profile picture in the left, because in English we start from left. And user types from the left, because it's English word. So let's just do some changes here in the design. Like, dislike, replay should be here. Let's remove this. Okay, now let's bring the send button here. Okay, now let's create it. I did save this. I'm going to create this part at the end of my page. So this is a input tag. The type is text. Let's open live server. We have the input. There was a kind of input that the user could change the size of it with his interest or her interest. Let's find out what was that input. Different kind of input tag in HTML. Let's ask ChatGPT. What? Why I cannot find that? I mean, if you look at this, there was a section which it was in the corner of the input, and when the user click on that, it can change the size of the input, but I cannot see it here. Maybe I have to search for a text box. Different kind of text box. Input with feature. Input tag image. Maybe if you can find it here. It's really weird that I cannot find it. It was input, which have a feature that can change the size of the input, but cannot find it in the internet. I don't know why. It took me 30 minutes. God damn. So let's ask this from my friends in Discord. So if you guys didn't join my Discord channel, it's a channel that a lot of programmers gather around, and we help each other into solving the problems. So let's ask them, but how can I be very clear about the question? Let's just draw it, so make this clear for them. Input, and it has I remember it have 3 lines here. Or 2 lines here, that when the user it was better to draw this with black color. And in order to make it obvious, we give this a circle. Okay, it's a input to make it very obvious. Hello guys, what I wonder, can anyone tell me what was the name of the tag of the input tag which had a feature that the user can and can anyone tell me what was the name of the input tag which had a feature that the user can change the size of the input with his her interest? Let's add a image, upload a file. Press enter. Okay, I'm going to get back here later to see if anyone gave me an answer. So I'm going to continue this tomorrow. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.